Hey, hello everybody, I am Ryan, the after sales manager and analyst here at Talos Drones, and today we have a brand new drone here. So we're going to be doing a demo of the T25P from DJI, and shout out to Stelly Grove for letting us use their field. Today we are going to be flying this over the orchards that they have here. Pretty much over here we have a bunch of avocado trees that we will be flying over, and this drone is essentially marketed to be more versatile, more obstacle avoidance friendly, while still not being to the degree of the T100. It's still a lot of the upgrades from the T25 to the T25P have been obstacle avoidance and radar sensing. So that being said, again, not to the extent of the T100 because it has LiDAR and nothing really can beat LiDAR that much in terms of drones or in terms of sensing systems. So yeah, today we're going to be doing that, and we are just going to be doing kind of your standard operation. So we're just going to be flying around max speed, so that's going to be around 30 feet per second, 32 feet per second, and height above crops is going to be 10 feet above, and application rate, because this only is about a 5-gallon tank, it is essentially going to be doing 4 gallons per acre. The field that I have set is 1.5 acres, so it should be able to, I believe it'll come back with a little bit left, but we'll see with that. So it's expecting to spray around 6.3 gallons. So maybe not have anything left, but yeah, again, the brand new drone, super lightweight. Everything should be pretty much more solo flyer friendly. So yeah, and we can get started.
Detected below aircraft. Fly with caution.
All right, so pretty much the drone completed its operation. We have flown 1.3 acres, sprayed 5.2 gallons, and I'm actually surprised, even though it was going about 30 feet per second, it actually looked like it was going pretty fast. Overall, pretty good with this drone. Again, it's a super lightweight drone. It's not gonna really last as long as like the T100 because of the payload and everything. That being said, this operation took 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So yeah, 1.3 acres in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's roughly around the same amount of time as the T100. Or no, a little bit slower than the T100 actually. But yeah, so everything pretty much went smoothly with air. It was following 10 feet above the crop pretty well, and we still have 50% of the battery left. So in terms of battery efficiency, it does pretty well. You could easily get another flight out of this. And we can see here that the temperature is also at 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, everything worked out pretty nicely with this drone. This is overall solid drone, especially if you're a solo operator and you're just spraying small fields, that type of thing. I believe last time I said it was around up to 50 to 100 acres roughly would be ideal for this situation. I would say just after this, maybe like 50 would be ideal, because you're going to be essentially if you're doing anything more than that, you're going to need to be like refilling a lot, depending on how much you spray. But overall, still pretty good. Very, very versatile drone, very light, very small. Even in this hilly orchard scenario, it did handle pretty well, and it did maintain the 10 feet above crop. So again, I'm Ryan, after sales manager and analyst here at Talos Drones. That was the demo, or quick demo of the T25P and its capabilities and how well it does in orchards. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.